You work with a nurse who is brilliant, yet equally toxic. She's the first person you want in a crisis situation, but the last person you want to eat lunch with in the break room, especially if you're all alone. She's a good nurse, but on this episode of Coffee and Conversations about nurse bullying, we're going to talk about the good nurse but problem. Hi, I'm Dr. Renee Thompson, CEO and founder of the Healthy Workforce Institute. Welcome to Coffee and Conversations about nurse bullying. Okay, we've all done this, me too. When working with a clinically competent nurse, physician, therapist, who is equally toxic, we tend to rationalize, justify, we'll even warn people about them. So we'll warn the new nurses, he's brilliant, just don't get on his bad side. We'll negotiate with the charge nurse when making assignments on whose turn it is to give her report. It's your turn. No, it isn't. It's his turn. And nobody confronts them, not even the boss, because we almost think they're too good to lose. All right, here's the deal. First of all, you cannot be a good nurse if you throw a but in there. So stop saying that. Second of all, by ignoring their bad behavior for decades, we've actually taught them that it's okay to be brilliant, and we'll just tolerate their toxicity. By ignoring someone's bad behavior just because they're so clinically excellent, we're putting our patients at risk, and the good employees will leave us. Numerous studies prove this. Enough is said about that. What you and everyone in your department should do is to tell this employee that although they are clinically competent, their bad behavior is unacceptable. An easy way to start doing this is just to start naming their behavior, which is one of our powerful confronting techniques. So all you have to do is get crystal clear on their behavior and then name it. So, you're yelling at me. You're criticizing me in front of patients. You're giving me the silent treatment right now. So whatever they're doing, just name it. And over time, they'll start realizing that you're all kind of done putting up with their shenanigans. Remember, to be a good nurse, you need to be both clinically excellent and a respectful human being. To learn more about how to name someone's behavior, because we've spent so much time on this as a company, make sure you check out one of the earlier episodes of Coffee and Conversations that I've listed in the comments below. And if you really like this video, make sure you subscribe and then share it with other people in your department who may also need to hear this message. And if you really want to go down that rabbit hole of workplace bullying and incivility and what you can do about it, go to my website, healthyworkforceinstitute.com, for more resources. So until our next conversation, be kind, take care, and stay connected.